All right, we are on to video number 3. And with video number 3, we are going to be working on our optical cube, which is this wonderful illusion tube. Again, it's only 6 steps, so you're going to watch my demonstration video right after this. And I want you to take your time. You're going to need a pencil and a ruler just like you did before. And remember, when you're watching these videos, feel free to pause the video and play after you've done it. If you found it tricky, you can always rewind the video after I've shown it and really work at your own pace. If you've tried it after 2 times and it still isn't working the way you want, just raise your hand and I will be happy to come over and help you. So, as you have seen throughout your other ones, you've got your teacher signature for step 1, 2, and 3 already. We're on to step number 4. You'll be working on page 5. You're going to work on that bottom part. So you've gotten my signature for completing the sphere video. You're going to be working on this video, which is the cube. So you're going to draw in this little space here while following me. Using your ruler and your pencil. So if you haven't done so already, please grab that now and we'll get ready for our video. Okay, part 2. This is the cube, and that's what we're going to be working on. So looking at first, you go, how do we get this here? I'm going to show you some simple steps. You need your ruler again. If you don't have a ruler by you, you can grab anything that you have that's a straight edge. So maybe you've got a piece of paper, you can use that as an edge. You can also use, if you have like a remote, I have a remote, you can use the remote and draw the line that way. So whatever works for you, okay? So the first thing that you're going to do is draw a line, just a straight line. Notice I have space up here and I have space down here. Okay, you don't want it too tiny, you don't want it too big. Then we're going to do the top part up here. If you really want, you can make it more like it's an arrow. So I'll do a line this way, I'll do my line this way. Don't make it too down because then you're not going to get these sides, and you want those sides. And then you're going to make the next arrow. So maybe I'm going to make it wider. Draw the line like that, kind of make it that way. Ta-da! So you got your top arrow and the bottom arrow, right? Then you connect them. You have your ruler nice and straight. Don't worry if you have little bits that come off, that's okay. You can erase those later. I connect it that way. So see, erase number 1, erase number 2. Now we have the first part here, okay? The second part, we want to do these lines. They are not, it's not a straight line, as you can see with the ruler. It's not straight. So my trick is, let's start with the bottom. We match up the angle. So my ruler is with this angle of this line, and then I just, sorry, my ruler got stuck, like this, and I just move it up, and I draw that line. Then I come back to this one, turn the ruler. See, I've got that side, so I'm going to slide it up, match here, dropped. First one done. Second one, I'm going to match it, come down, draw that line, match it like this, slide down, meet where I'm here, okay? And then I do that. Good, so now I have this part here, okay? Mine's a little bit bigger in the front. Each time you do it, it's a little different. Now, step 3, all you need to do are add 2 lines. 1, 2, 1, 2 on each of the sides. So you take your ruler and you go 1, 2. Go to the next side. 1, 2. Okay? And you end up with that part, okay? Now, this is the important part. How do we get to this? We don't have 2 black squares next to each other. So, you're going to start off with your X, black, blank, black, blank, black, blank. Go down a row. Black, blank, black, blank, black, blank.
black, blank, black, blank, black, blank. Okay? And then you just shade in your X's just as we did.
Now that you've finished watching the video, make sure that you raise your hand and have me sign off that you've completed it, and you may move on to the following step on backgrounds, and you can go to that next video.